Meanwhile, the Attorney General of the Federation, Lateef Fagbemi, says the EFCC has been given the pass by law to invite any person of interest to interact with them in the course of the investigation into any matter, regardless of status. The AGF, in a statement, expressed concerns on the confrontation of operatives of the EFCC in the course of its efforts to perform its statutory duty. He urged anyone who has been invited by the Commission to put away any obstruction and answer their invitation. For more on the EFCC Vs Yahaya Bello saga, TVC News Celestina area was in court today. He joins me live from Abuja studio. What was the position of the defense counsel, in all of this?
Well, Nifemi, he said that as far as he knows, or as far as he's concerned, the former governor has not been served with the charge, and which the prosecution admitted that they've not been able to serve the charge on the former governor. The EFCC is alleging that he's evading service, and today they moved an application for substituted service. It was a case of back and forth because the EFCC were insisting to serve the charge on the counsel who represented Yahaya Bello, and he said he wasn't ordered to receive the charge on the former governor's behalf. He just came to represent the former governor, and Yahaya Bello did not give him any orders as to him receiving the charge on his behalf. But if I may, let's look at the recent developments this evening, which is the EFCC declaring the former governor wanted. I don't know if they have procured an order of court, because the EFCC has no rights under the law, if it has been changed, we don't know, to declare someone wanted without an order of court. And of course, we know that yesterday they got an order from the Federal High Court, which was given by Justice Emeka Owete, to arrest the former governor. But the warrant of arrest does not translate to the right to declare someone wanted. The warrant of arrest which the EFCC got is under Section 6 subsection 7 of the EFCC Act of 2004. That is true. But for them to declare him wanted when we're in court, no such application was made before Justice Emeka Owete, or if they had gone to another court to procure such order, we are yet to find out. And the EFCC Council also made it as a comment in court that if the need arises, they can also seek the help of the military to produce Mr. Yahaya Bello in court. He says that if the former governor is innocent, why is he invading service? But the point made by former Governor Yahaya Bello's counsel is the fact that there is a subsisting order from the Kogi State High Court restraining the EFCC from arresting or arraigning him. And that order was given by the court. But in response to that particular submission, counsel to the EFCC said that the substance of that case has been decided, and the court said that if they ought to arrest or arraign the former governor, they should seek leave from court. So now it's a bit dicey. So the EFCC is saying that with the judgment delivered yesterday by the Kogi State High Court that said that they should seek leave from court, that was the leave they sought by getting the warrant of arrest from the court yesterday through an ex parte application. But now, counsel to Yahaya Bello is saying that there is an appeal filed at the Court of Appeal by the EFCC challenging the order of the court not to arrest the former governor. So now the issue of jurisdiction also arose at the trial court today. The counsel to the former governor is saying that the Federal High Court lacks the jurisdiction because the Court of Coordinate Jurisdiction had already stopped the Anti-Corruption Agency from arresting or arraigning the former governor. So now the main thing that happened today, in summary, is that the court adjourned to reconvene to rule on substituted service. Now the EFCC said they cannot serve the governor, that he's enjoying immunity from someone. They did not mention any name. He's being protected by somebody, but they would do all they can within the ambit of the law to produce him in court. So the court will rule on how else they can serve the former governor if they cannot serve him in person. So for the development this evening, for which to say that he's been declared wanted, I don't know how that is done or how they procured an order of court to declare him wanted, because the warrant of arrest is not a right to declare someone wanted.
Let's get some clarity into that matter. Celestina Area, thank you for joining